Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dinesh Gundu Rao told the media, during the rule of previous BJP government, several government properties worth hundreds of acres of land have been transferred to RSS and its affiliated organization. He claimed that the allocation was made with the intention of encouraging the expansion of the organization's ideology. He also said people should be informed of everything, nothing should remain a secret, and people need to be aware. Dinesh Gundu Rao said few tenders have been cancelled issued by the previous BJP government and few are still being looked into. When he was asked if the government has taken any steps to prevent it, he said that it should happen at the government level. How and when it happened should be something Revenue Department and Chief Minister should look into, and whether it was done legally and at what cost, as these are all legal issues.
ಅನೇಕ ಬೇರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಭೂಮಿಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು RSS ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಘ ಪರಿವಾರಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನೂರಾರು ಎಕರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಜನರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಪೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗಲೂಬಾರ್ದು.
Honorable Chief Minister has already given us an instruction to look at the lands that were allotted to various individuals and organizations in a hasty manner in the last few days of the government. It is a norm of governance that you should not take such decisions in the last days of a government and just prior to elections. However, the previous government rammed through cabinet various such decisions, and whether they are benefiting legitimate organizations, whether they are for the benefit of the society, are they serving public interest or not, these are our concerns. So with these criteria, we will look at the decisions made in the last couple of months of the previous government in terms of land allotment. If they have gone to legitimate organizations, if they are serving public interest, and if they are for the right reason, we will definitely honor them. But if there is a private interest involved in it, then we will have to reconsider them.
Thank you so much.